Alright, we're back. In Eruption City. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Just clean oil. Brand new oil. What are you looking at? I'm down here. Oh. Not coming out very fast. You want it to come out quick? Just push up on it. It'll come out quick. Okay, we're letting that drip out a little bit. Kind of that black goo looking stuff coming out there. It's either got a lot of graphite in it or it's dirty oil. So we have to pop this clip out and then we should be able to slide hammer the slider right off. So you gotta just use a small screwdriver right here. Just kind of go in there like this and poke it up like that. It's out. You act like a slider and go bang, bang, bang. The seal should come up. Slider should come off. And with any luck, you do not get covered in oil. Yeah, we'll see how that happens. I believe that'll never happen to you, right? We'll see. Right now. Dribble, dribble, dribble. One fork slider. Put it outside, let it get a mess out there. Alright. One. Sure, that's alright. Supposed to be all new parts in there and they look pretty new. Okay, now we should be able to pull everything out by taking the top off up on top and sliding the whole thing out. If we're lucky, it'll all fall out. Oh, they got some kind of adapter up in here too. That's kind of weird. That's going to be a problem. What the hell they got going on up here? I don't know. That's free.
Yeah, I mean, listen, between you and I love letting you down.
That is not free. quick disconnect on it. We want the other one. Oh, alright. We got 2 quick disconnects here. One, 2. Alright. One dangling mess gone. Looks a lot better. Now we just have the spotlights hanging over there. Okay, now I gotta figure out why this thing's not coming out of here. There it goes. Okay, that came off. 2 come out like that. It's out. It's got this 1-inch extension in the tube right here to make the front end taller. That's different. Now we got the adapter and a vise here. There's all kinds of crap going on in here. Okay, she's out. So we have some modifications going on in here. So this is a 1-inch extension here. So I'm assuming that's factory, but I have no idea. We got a washer stuck in there, which I'm sure is not factory. We got a spacer tube, that's not factory. And then we got some non-factory guts in here, I bet. Yeah. Resembles a spring. Here. Let's see what we got. So this front end's been worked on to make it handle better. It failed. It didn't handle better. This outside. Adapter. So here's our dampener. It's all out. Everything's out. Alright, I got one fork tube. Let's see how long it is. FLs are 22 or 20, FLST are 22, and FXST are 24. This is an Indian. With a long front end like this, it should be like 25 or 6. It's 23. That's why the Indian 1-inch adapter is too short. Okay, so that's going to be a little bit of a problem. We're not using this 1-inch adapter over here, so we need a 24-inch tube. Why do they not have a 24-inch tube? It's like a 16th under 23 or 32nd under 23. So it's not even a 23 and 7/8 like it should be. So I need a set of FXST fork tube now. Okay, that'll be interesting to do. Yeah, I'm not sure where we got extra tube length from. Now if I drop the front end down, it probably would help the bike handle better, I bet. Aerodynamic would be better too. Okay, so this is touring bike, so it's short. 41mm kit. Heavy duty. That should work pretty good. Okay. So we know it's going to be short. Must be Fox. Let me give you a stiff ass piece of crap over there. Here's our suspension piece here. And we're missing the other nut, because you're supposed to reuse your old parts, which we don't have. So we're going to have a problem here. Now we need another nut. Because these don't match. See the difference? If we want one short tube, one long tube, we can make it work. That'd be different. Who would do that? Nobody would do that, would they? Mix and match parts? No way. The next problem is our dampener length. Pretty sure it's supposed to stick out longer than this. So we need to determine how much longer we need to make this to keep up with the fork I need. I'm guessing 3 inches right now. And I need to go figure out what I'm going to do about this part here being wrong. It's always nice when you don't have all the parts you need. So, I don't know if this was extended by the guy that put these on here, or that's an Indian part. You'd think Indian would just buy longer fork tubes and stick them in there if they're going to do that to their bike. So, I don't know. All I can do is put it together without it and see what happens, I guess. Yeah, it'd be interesting. Alright, I'm going to go clean up some parts, and I'm going to go look for some parts and see if I have anything upstairs. Because I need a stock one of these. And maybe a longer set of fork tubes. Which I'm pretty sure I don't have here either. Alright, we'll be back.